Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, my lovely students. Today, inshallah, I will teach you Super Goal 2 for the first intermediate grade in the second semester. So, I want all of you to open your book on page 24. Today, inshallah, we will take writing. A. Read the email from Japanese student in the middle school with a partner. Discuss what is the same or different about your school. So we have here, as you can see, an email. So we will read it. Then I want you to discuss with your friend what is the different or the same in your or about your school. Okay. Look, this is the email. Subject. So what is the title of this email? Middle school in Japan. Hi Saeed, it's fun to have a pimple in another country. We can practice English. Today I wanted to tell you about a middle school in Japan. I usually get up at 7:15. I put on my school uniform, prepare my school bag and eat breakfast. Then I go to school by bus. Other students go on foot or by train. Our school day begins at 8:30. Before classes, we meet in our homeroom for assembly. We have 6 classes a day, 4 in the morning and 2 in the afternoon. We study subjects like language, math, science, social studies, technology, health, and PE and art. Each class is 15 minutes long with 5 minute break between classes. We have lunch at 12:30. Everyone brings lunch from home and we always eat in our homeroom. School ends at 3:30. Before we go home, we all help to clean the school. There are also many clubs and after-school activities. For example, I play basketball twice a week, and I am in English club. That is how I meet you. On these days, I usually leave school at 5. What's middle school like in Saudi Arabia? Right back soon. You're a friend. Kaito. So I want you to discuss now with your friends about our school. Then look what do we have here, writing corner. So now we will learn how to use by. Okay, so look what do we have here. We have here by. By explains how. Okay, if you want to explain how the way. For example, he buy a car. So the way that you get, for example, your school. How? Explain. So you will say buy a car, buy a bus, buy a plan, and so on. Buy we say, but we say on foot. So with foot, we say on, not buy. Look here, Kato goes to go to school by bus. Other students go on foot or by train. Number 2, to show directions. So he goes to. So we use to if you want to show, let's say, the direction. Okay. For example, your place, or where are you going? Something like this. Where are you going? Where are you going? So you will tell me your direction. Okay. He goes to school by bus. To show location, okay, to show the location, so you will use in. Students meet in their home room, okay, so to show location. Then let's now move to the second page that we have here. Look what do we have here, my lovely students. As you can see, we have here form, meaning, and function. Simple present and present progressive. So we have simple present and present progressive. So we use simple present if we want to talk about like a routine. Okay, something you do it like a routine every day. Okay, every day. Something you do it every day like a routine. But present progressive, if you want to do something, noun, just noun. For example, I am explaining. Okay, then how can we use them? So we use simple present. So we say play, for example, and plays. So we use with plays she and he. So with she and he, we have to add s. This is a simple present, okay? This is a simple present. Play with I, you, we, they, and yeah, that's it. I, you, we, they. So this is with the play. So let's now write them here. So this is a simple present. Simple present. So we have, for example, I, you, they, we. So we will say here, for example, play. Okay, but with, let's say, with she and he, we will say plays. Okay, we add s because it is singular. So this is a simple present. Simple present. Something you do it every day. If you do something every day, okay, then we have, look what do we have then? Then we have, let's say, present progressive. Then we have here present progressive. We use some present progressive when we want to talk about something right now. So we say, for example, I will give you example. We have I, then we have you, we, they, then we have she, he. Okay, so we say I am, are, is, then the verb must be with ing. Okay, the verb must be with ing. For example, look what do we have here. I am teaching. So I am teaching now. I am teaching now. Okay, so do you have any question, my lovely students? Very good. So let's now read the box. Then we will do the exercise. Okay, look what do we have here. Simple present. Okay. And present progressive. Simple present and present progressive. Use simple present to talk about permanent actions like habits or routines. Use the present progressive to talk about temporary actions that are happening now. For example, the students usually write the tests every month, so like a routine. So we say here usually. But here the students are writing a test at the moment. So something happening right now. So look here. Saeed lives in Jeddah. So this is a routine. So he lives in Jeddah every day. So we add here is because we have a Saeed like he. But he is studying in Riyadh this year. So this is something that's just happening just right now. Okay, is studying. Note, some verbs are not used in progressive form. We have here believe, forget, hear, know, like, love, need, prefer, remember, see, understand, and want. So we don't add ing. We don't add ing. So we can say loving. Wrong. We can't say needing. This is wrong. So be careful. So these verbs usually are not used in a progressive form. Then look what do we have here. Choose a correct verb for each sentence. So we have here 10 sentences. Let's read them. Nawal, her homework at the moment. So we have here at the moment. Okay, so of course we will say is doing with ing. To come to the mall with us. Very good. So here we will say do you want, because it's a simple present. Okay, the scientist the cause of the problem. So what do you think? Very good. So we will say here don't know, because it is a simple present. Look the children in the lake. So what do you think? Very good. Are swimming, because they are swimming now. Look what do we have. Look. Look, it's just happening right now. The moon around the earth. So what do you think? Very good, goes, because it's like a routine, like a habit, something happens every day. Abdullah sometimes his bike to school. Very good, rides with S, excellent. Jassim has a part-time job, but he today, look what do we have here? Today, it's something right now, now. Very good, so we will say is not working, excellent. 8, is in your country in the winter. Does it snow? Snow, it is snowing. So what do you think? Very good, because it is like a routine, so we will say doesn't snow. Please be quiet. The baby right now. So we have something like right now. Very good. Is sleeping. Excellent. Then listen the tourists for directions in the English. Very good. Are asking. Because we have here listen. Then look, put the verb. Look, well, we have here some verbs. So we will read it. Then we will choose present progressive or simple present. Look what do we have here. Your email every day. So we have every day. So it will be like routine. So we will say, do you check? Look at them. So we have a look at them. So it is happening right now. So we will say are riding. We add are then ing. I don't understand. So we say it's understand as simple present because understand can't or are not used in the progressive form. We are going to the park. So we're talking about something we will do it right now, okay? Are going. Majid usually, so we have a usually, so it will be of course simple present, so we will say works out at the gym 3 times a week. What time do you usually wake up? So we will ask about routine. Are you reading the newspaper? So we have here, are you reading? Fatma always precious. So after dinner, so like a routine. Khalid has a football after school. So what do you think? He isn't coming. So very good. My father's car is at the mechanic. So he is taking taking the bus to work because his car is right now. So we will say is taking. Okay, my lovely students, actually we are done. So thank you so much and have a nice day.